Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hafsat-Kitchen, where we bring the authentic taste of Nigeria straight to your screen. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crispy egg-coated fried yam served with a rich, spicy pepper sauce, the perfect Niger comfort food. If you love yam and eggs, then this one will steal your heart. So, let's get started. First, let's prepare our yam. Peel and cut it into thick slices or cubes, however you like. Rinse it properly, then sprinkle a little salt for taste. Now, place it in a pot and add just enough water to half cover the yam. Don't submerge it completely, we want it soft but firm. Boil for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Once it's soft enough to pierce easily with a fork, drain out the water and allow it to cool. That's our perfect base for frying. Now for the fun part, frying. Break and whisk 3 large eggs in a clean bowl. You can add a pinch of salt or seasoning if you like, but we'll keep it simple today. Heat up about 2 cups of vegetable oil in a clean, dry pan. Once it's hot, dip your boiled yam pieces into the egg, coat them nicely, and gently drop them into the oil. Fry until golden brown, turning occasionally so all sides cook evenly. Look at that color, perfectly crisp on the outside, soft and fluffy inside. Once done, remove and place on paper towels to drain excess oil. Now let's make that delicious pepper sauce, the magic that brings everything together. In a clean pan, add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once hot, pour in your chopped onions and green pepper, and sauté for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Add your tomato paste, blended tomatoes, and blended pepper mix, and fry on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the oil starts to float on top, that's your cue. Now season with curry, thyme, garlic, ginger, salt, and 1 seasoning cube. Stir it all together, then add your chopped pomo and carrots for that nice texture. Add just a little water to loosen it, cover, and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Finally, toss in your spring onions, stir, cover again, and steam for one last minute, and it's ready. Now, let's serve this beauty. Place your golden fried yam on a plate, pour that rich, spicy sauce over it, and garnish with fresh green onions. Can you see that color? It's giving 5-star restaurant vibes right from your home kitchen. And there you have it, crispy egg-coated fried yam with pepper sauce, the way we do it here in Nigeria. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up medium skin tone, subscribe to Hafsat-Kitchen, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next delicious upload. Drop a comment below, what should I cook next? Thank you for watching, and as always, taste the love, share the flavor.